This is in the chemistry building.
Coolbaugh.
Ooh, rare innovation ones.
Yeah, the new Bruiser.
This one was an Otis.
Sounds like it was an Otis Series 1.
Yeah, just by the fan.
Yeah.
Looks like, yeah, that's Otis store equipment. Another very recent mod.
Not recent enough to have yes, no, though. Go to 3R.
This campus looks like they went on a modding spree.
Yeah. Interestingly, though, they're all, a lot of them are innovation, but they're unique.
Yes. It's going up.
Ah, well, let's take it up to the sky.
I think, oh.
Yep, it's now going down.
Otis interlock. Yeah, this was definitely a 211.
That's weird that they even bought it.
Yeah, why would you want a 211?
211s are
good.
Still, and they're still in use. I wonder if they just did a fixture mod. I wonder if the fixtures got wrecked.
Could be.
Only way you'd ever know is if you found the machine and the controller.
That sounded nice.
It did. I think we're gonna be on this side.
And take a look out there. Look at this building.